एग्जाम से पहले घर वाले शुरू हो जाते।
बादाम दूध पी लो बेटा, दिमाग बढ़ेगा।
सूर्य नमस्कार करो बेटा, सूर्य नमस्कार।
सुबह सुबह ठंडे पानी से स्नान करो बेटा। मार्क्स के लिए ना टिप्स हर कोई देता है, गारंटी कोई नहीं देता।
इसलिए वेदांतु इम्प्रूवमेंट प्रॉमिस।
अब वेदांतु मार्क्स बढ़ाने की जिम्मेदारी लेगा और गारंटी देगा, वरना आपकी पूरी फीस वापस।
ओह, अब ये होती है गारंटी। थैंक यू वेदांतु।
Hey guys, hi, hello, namaste, adab, sat sri akal, assalamu alaikum, vanakkam and khamba khani to all of you. Welcome guys, welcome to today's class, and this is your Prodigy for CBSE 9, and the topic that we are discussing today is coordinate geometry. Now it's a fairly easy topic, so this will be covering only in one session. So in one session this whole topic will be complete, very easy topic, and from this topic 4 mark question come, for like 4 to 5 marks questions will come. So these are the easy marks which you should never miss. All right, and this is a very basic topic. From this you have started learning the basics of coordinate geometry. In grade 10 we'll be moving ahead of this, we'll be learning some new things. All right, so for grade 9 it is very easy. All right, so let us start the class beta. So before I start the class, as all of you know me, or those who don't know me, my name is Gopal Paliwal. I am master teacher of mathematics here at Vedantu. Been graduated from IIT Dhanbad and teaching from the past 5 years. You can see my credentials over here on the screen. ठीक है बच्चों, तो as you all know, coordinate geometry I have already told you, around 4 marks questions will be there. Cartesian plane, quadrants and plotting of points. These are the 3 things which we need to remember, understand, and बहुत easy topic है यार, मतलब it is one of the easiest chapter. Like I would say it is easiest than probability also. Probability, if this coordinate geometry, these will be the easiest topics of your syllabus. All right, so by the end we'll be able to solve these kind of questions also. Let us see, first look at this question. Although it is easy but very basic, and sometimes students make mistake in making the like say silly mistakes. So this topic, although it is easy, but there are chances of making silly mistakes. All right, so do make sure avoid silly mistake. That is why let's revise it quickly once. Let's learn this once and try to learn it in such a way that we don't make any silly mistake. I keep telling you that these are the checkpoints you need to keep checking, that you are not making any silly mistake. All these tricks I'll give you, don't worry about it. All right, so first thing is your Cartesian system beta. So Cartesian system is any plane in which you will be plotting the point, so that plane will become your Cartesian system. All right, suppose in this screen of the laptop, my laptop, I'm say I'll be using to plot points and all that. So this screen is Cartesian plane for me. If you are seeing this video on your phone, and you can see I'm writing the points on your phone screen, so your phone screen will be your Cartesian plane. Also Cartesian plane is that plane in which I'll be plotting the points. Okay. All right, so for plotting these points, what do we need? We need reference points. So we need 2 reference lines. We have horizontal line and vertical line. This horizontal line is called x-axis, okay, and this vertical line is like y-axis. So these, you can say, these are like 2 number lines, horizontal number line, and this is a vertical number line. In between, in the middle, we'll have 0, then 1 2 3 4, here -1 -2 -3 -4. So this is positive x-axis, this is negative x-axis. This is positive y-axis because it is 1 2 3 4, here -1 -2 -3 -4, so this is negative y-axis. All right, ठीक है. अब बेटा देखो, as you can clearly see कि this coordinate, this Cartesian plane, because of these axes, is being divided into 4 regions. These 4 regions, they are called quadrants. What they are called beta? These 4 regions, they are called quadrants. All right, so we have 4 quadrant and their numbering is fixed. I cannot make anyone as first. No, this I will always call my first quadrant, this is my second quadrant, this is third quadrant, and this is fourth quadrant. ठीक है बेटा, so these are my 4 quadrants. Quadrants are like the Cartesian plane is divided by both the axes in 4 parts. These are called quadrants. 1 2 3 4. All right, now first quadrant is between positive x-axis and positive y-axis. So whenever we will write any points coordinate beta, we will always write it in the form of x comma y. Okay? Whenever we'll write the coordinates of any point, we will write it in the form of x comma y. First x coordinate, then y coordinate. So I can say, sir, here x-axis is positive, y-axis is positive. So x coordinate and y coordinate both will be positive. In second quadrant, x-axis is negative. So x coordinate will be negative, y coordinate will be positive. In third quadrant, both x and y coordinates are negative. And in fourth quadrant, x is positive, y is negative. Okay, you can see fourth quadrant x is positive, y is negative, like that. In third quadrant, x is also negative, y is also negative. In second quadrant, x is negative, y is positive. In first quadrant, x is positive, y is also positive. So this is how you can see how the points will be represented in the different quadrants. All right. So just by looking at the signs of x coordinate and y coordinate, we can clearly see. Suppose if I give you a point -3, -5. Now we don't know yet how to plot these points, but if I just show you with this knowledge, you can say, so both x coordinate and y coordinate are negative. So x is negative, y is negative. So it must be present in the third quadrant. All right. So it will be present in the third quadrant. So without plotting the points, we can say what will be the quadrant, in which quadrant the point is going to lie. Okay? After that, as I was talking to you about plotting of a point, because I have told you we always write it in the form of x comma y. So this x represents x coordinate, and another name for it is abscissa. What is another name? Abscissa. All right. X coordinate, it is also called x coordinate, or it is called abscissa. Now, the definition wise, if I talk about its definition, what is the definition of x coordinate? Definition is perpendicular distance of a point from y-axis. Definition is what? Perpendicular distance of a point from y-axis. So y-axis is over here, perpendicular distance. So this distance will be termed as x coordinate. And but you can clearly see this will be equal to same over here. So if it is equal to 6, I can say x coordinate will be equal to 6. Okay? Similarly, y coordinate. So I can say y coordinate beta, it is called y coordinate. And another name, as we call x coordinate abscissa, y coordinate we call it ordinate also. Okay? So its definition same way will be perpendicular distance of a point from x-axis. Okay? So from x-axis, that means this distance. This distance you are seeing over here, na? This distance will be y. Alright. Okay, so if this side it is 4, this side also it is going to be 4. But this definition, this is only for the definition purpose, guys. This is only for the definition purpose, I'm telling you. Whenever we are plotting the points, what we generally do, whenever we are plotting the points, suppose here you have seen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. I have told you to plot 6, 4. So we don't see, let's see where it is, distance is 6, distance is 4. No. What we'll do, at x coordinate, I'll write x comma y. Okay? So x comma y, x coordinate is 6. So on x-axis, 6 is over here. Drop perpendicular line from 6. And on y coordinate 4 you have got, draw perpendicular line from there. Let both of them intersect. Wherever they are intersecting, that will be your 6, 4. So this is what you are going to use to plot the points. Alright, or to find the coordinates. If this coordinates we have to find out, we'll just drop the perpendicular on x-axis and y-axis. And x-axis it is intersecting at 6, x coordinate 6. On y-axis it is intersecting at 4, so y coordinate will be 4. The definition, this definition is only for the objective question or something. Don't use that for finding the coordinates or nothing. Only for definition purpose you remember it. Okay? So how do we find out the coordinates? Just drop the perpendicular on both the axes. Wherever the perpendicular intersect x-axis, that will be your x coordinate. Wherever it intersect y-axis, that will be your y coordinate. Okay? Alright. Okay, so I have told you the definitions of both क्लियर है? ओके बेटा, अब देखो, सपोज द क्वेश्चन इज पॉइंट, प्लॉट द पॉइंट -2, -5 in the Cartesian plane. So -2, x equal to -2, I can see x on x-axis, it is over here. Let's drop a perpendicular, and -5 is over here. Let's drop another perpendicular, they both are intersecting over here. So this will be my point, which is called -2, -5. Remember, I know this has to be x coordinate and this is y coordinate. Very important. First value x coordinate, second value y coordinate. That is very important. Okay बच्चों, ठीक है? This is how we can plot it. All right. So this is how we will plot the points. Now, before I move ahead, let me tell you one more thing. That suppose if a point is present on x-axis, if a point is on x-axis, in that case we will say कि beta its y coordinate will be equal to 0. That means all the points on this x-axis will be in the form of x comma 0. देखो, if I look at this point over here, x coordinate, this point over here, I can say if I drop the perpendicular on x-axis, it is intersecting at 3 only, same point. On y coordinate, it will be intersecting at 0. So the coordinate of this point will be 3 comma 0. Same way this point will be 5 comma 0. Same way this point over here will be -2 comma 0. This point over here will be -4 comma 0, and so on. All right. So this is how you can write the coordinates. On y-axis, same thing, opposite. Only thing we have to do it opposite. That if a point is on y-axis, in that case x coordinate will be 0 and the points will be in the form of 0 comma y. So here, suppose if this point I have to write its coordinate, I will say it is 0 comma 4. Not 4 comma 0, 0 comma 4, because it is on y-axis. So on y-axis, x coordinate is 0. On x-axis, y coordinate is 0. This point over here will be 0 comma -3. Now this point where both the lines intersect, on this point, like I can say the intersection point of these two axes, this point present on x-axis as well as it is present on y-axis. Since it is present on x-axis, its y coordinate will be 0, and since it is also present on y-axis, its x coordinate also will be 0. So that is why this point is called origin, and its coordinate is 0 comma 0, and its coordinate is what? 0 comma 0. All right, ठीक है बेटा? Okay, so this is what is there in the theory of this chapter. We'll look at some questions now. All right, now before I move ahead, guys, one more very important thing, that if you are looking for a proper guidance for this year for your studies, and where you want to make sure that yes, at the end of the year you see improvement, Vedantu is the best platform for you, because this gives you Vedantu improvement promise. This is bringing you a promise of your improvement, and not just promise, a guarantee of your improvement. All right, so we give you guaranteed improvement. What do I mean by guaranteed improvement? It means a simple thing, beta, that you join Vedantu and we take the full ownership of your studies. We say you join Vedantu, you will definitely improve. You will improve. It's not like you can improve, you will improve. All right, so that's the guarantee. And if you don't, take your whole course fee back. Yes, listen to me again. If you don't improve by the end of the year, your whole course fee will be returned back to you. No questions asked. That's the guarantee we are giving. Only thing we want you to just join our long-term courses and attend 75% of the classes and attend 75% of the test. All right. 75% why we have kept? Because we don't want to keep it 100%, because sometimes the best of the students may get some genuine reason where they cannot attend the class. So that's a problem we can understand. That is why we have kept it at 75% only. Now less than 75, if you are attending that, it means, like suppose ki you are not giving priority to your studies, you are not giving priority to your studies, you are missing the class. So if you are missing the class, obviously no one can help you. You at least have to come to the class, right? It's not some magic or something to fool you, right? We say we are taking the improvement guarantee, but it does not mean you will not even come to the class and you will improve. That's like simple fake selling. That's not we are doing. We genuinely take care of your studies. You just have to come to the class, and we will make sure that you will start getting interest in the subject. So that's what we are guaranteeing, and with that interest you will definitely improve. ठीक है बेटा. So what are the other features? So other features includes in the classes, so you can attend as many classes as you want. All right, then you will get interactive replays, notes, assignments, test, everything. Also the most important feature is doubt solving in the class. So in the class, when suppose the master teacher is teaching, you might get some doubt. Now we don't want our student to wait till the end of the class and then ask their doubt. So what we have in the class, we will have 2 or more extra teachers who we call them our class teachers, and they are highly knowledgeable in their subject knowledge, and they will be present in the class just to take care of your doubts. So they will be present in the live class. They will be talking with you. Any doubt you are having, you just have to send them the message of your doubt and they will respond that. All right, so that's what we are doing at Vedantu, and we don't want our student to go with a doubt in their mind. That's what we are aiming for. So every student's every doubt must be resolved. All right, and then there are unlimited micro courses and crash courses which you can use to study your topic as many times as you want, to revise for any upcoming test, anything. You can always utilize them. You can also utilize them to meet your different teachers, है ना? Sometimes you want to study from that teacher, you want to meet that teacher. Yeah, obviously you can take the micro courses and have their classes, right? So remember guys, less is more. The link for registration is mentioned in the description box of this video as well as in the pinned comment. Please don't forget to go there, or let me show you quickly how you can go there and register for it. So let's say this is your CBSE 9, any video of this channel you will go. All right guys, so in the description box as well as in the pinned comment, you can see over here link is given. Subscribe to Vedantu Pro now. Let me just make my screen small. Yeah, subscribe to Vedantu Pro now. Here you can see the link, or here also register for Vedantu Pro subscription. Click on this. Once we have clicked on this, you'll be reaching over here. Now here you can click on change to change your board or a grade. I am keeping it CBSE 9th. All right. Okay. Now you have 3 courses: Pro Lite, Pro Classic, Pro Plus. All the 3 courses will have same classes. It's not like your classes will be different. No, classes will be same for all. Only thing is, after class experience, the courses has different things to offer. So Pro Lite has all the basic features which I've told you: live classes, test series, assignments and notes, and doubt solving in the class. Pro Classic has one extra feature, which is doubt solving on mobile app. To know more about it, guys, just click on this feature. You'll get a video explaining that. All right, and personal mentor comes in your Pro Plus subscription along with doubt solving on mobile app. And with this, you'll make sure like you'll get mentors who will be taking care of your schedule, will be telling you that what is good for you, what problem you're facing. You can talk to them. They'll make sure they'll solve that for you, है ना? And any doubts you want, any doubt session you wants to be arranged, they'll take that also. So that's like more personalized way of learning. So these are the prices of all the 3 courses. You can try any course you want. All right, you can suppose now if you are very new over here and you want to try it, you can try it for 1 month. Once you have done the trial for 1 month is over, you can go for buying complete course. And when you'll buy a complete course, guys, EMI option is available for you as well. Okay, so it's not like you have to pay all this all together. If you can, very well done. If you cannot, don't worry, EMI option is there. But the important thing is, don't forget to apply GPE Pro, because this will give you 10% off, which will be the minimum price at which you will get this course. Any other query, beta, if I was not able to answer, please go to the bottom of this page. Here you have frequently asked questions and you will get the answer for your question. ठीक है? All right? Okay बच्चों, ठीक है, चलते आगे. Let's move ahead. चलो भाई, तो let's move ahead with the next part. So next question. Now let's look at some questions. The topic very easy. Write the answer of each of the following question. First one: what is the name of horizontal and vertical lines drawn to determine the position of any point in the Cartesian plane? What are those, guys? Let me know in the comment section. What are those? I don't know. What are those? Are those quadrants? I don't know. अच्छा ठीक है, I know. वरना तुम लोग बोलोगे क्या sir, you don't know and you are coming here to teach us. I know, ठीक है, I know. But do you know? If you know, let me know in the comment section. तो भाई सिंपल सा बात है. Horizontal vertical lines. Horizontal line is your x-axis. vertical line is your y-axis. What is the name of each part of the plane formed by these two lines? We call it quadrant. Write the name of the point where these two lines intersect. They intersect at origin. The intersection point of both the axes is called origin. ठीक है? Plot the following points on the graph paper. तो बेटा simple है. What we need to do? We need to just draw a graph, x-axis and y-axis. Nice lines I am drawing right now. All right. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here I have -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. First is 2, 5, x coordinate 2. So from x equal to 2, draw a line, y equal to 5, draw another line. So this will be 2, 5. Then we have 4, -3. So x coordinate 4, all right, and y coordinate -3 over here. So let us draw and make them intersect. So they both will be intersecting over here, which will be 4, -3. All right, -5, -2. X coordinate -5 over here, y coordinate -2 over here. Let us meet these two lines also. Okay, here we have got -5, -2, and then we have -1, 0. So x coordinate -1, y coordinate 0 only. So this point is on x-axis. This point will be on x-axis because y coordinate is equal to 0. So on x-axis here we have got -1, 0. ठीक है, all right. So this is how you will plot these points. Remember, if y coordinate is 0, the point is on x-axis. If x coordinate is 0, the point is on y-axis. ठीक है बेटा, this is how this question will be solved. Easy. Next, write the coordinates of each of the following points in the mark paper. अब चलो A पे करते हैं. Since A is present on y-axis, तो देखो 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. तो y coordinate तो 5 है, and I know x coordinate will be 0. So 0, 5. For B, drop the perpendicular on both. First write x coordinate. X coordinate is intersecting -1, -2, -3. Oh, B, -4. B is -4, comma, y axis is 3. C के लिए बेटा देखो भाई, since it is on x axis, so x coordinate is the point where it is present, y coordinate will be 0. And point D, x coordinate is coming out to be 4, y coordinate is -2, so 5, -2. All right, and you can clearly see it is satisfying all the conditions of the quadrant. In second quadrant, x is negative, y is positive. In fourth quadrant, x is positive, y is negative. So all this it will satisfy. ठीक है बेटा, next देखो, in which quadrant or on which axis do each of these points lie? Verify your answer by locating them on Cartesian plane. ठीक है, so we just have to plot these points on the graph. ठीक है, अच्छा, without plotting them also where they are lying. So let's write quickly. -2, 4. X is negative, y is positive. X negative, y positive. Second quadrant, yes or no? Then we have 3, -1. X positive, y negative. X positive, y negative. This is fourth quadrant, right? -1, 0. -1, 0. X coordinate is there, y coordinate is 0. Y coordinate 0 means x-axis. 1, 2, both are positive. It is first quadrant. -3, -5, both are negative. It is third quadrant. देख लो यार how easy this topic is. Very, very, very easy this topic. And then you can plot them as well. ठीक है, तो देख लो A is on, what is A? A -2, 4, I have told you second quadrant. A is in the second quadrant. 3, -1 is in the fourth quadrant. 1, 2 is in the first quadrant. -3, -5 is in the third quadrant. And C is on x-axis. ठीक है, अब ये देखो next question. Plot the points A, B and C on graph paper. Join AB, BC and AC. Calculate the area of triangle ABC. अब देखो, it is not very difficult. Let's first draw the graph. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 2 3 4 5. All right, just a rough part I am drawing. 2 comma 5, x coordinate 2, y coordinate 5 over here, 2 comma 5. All right, minus 2 comma 2, x coordinate minus 2, y coordinate 2 over here. Remember, always first see x coordinate, then see y coordinate. 4 comma 2, x coordinate 4, y coordinate 2 over here. So you can clearly see beta, this is forming a triangle, right? Where देखो, this is minus 2, this is 4. So total distance between them 1 2 3 4 5 6 will be 6 units. And if I drop a perpendicular, let's drop a perpendicular from the point 2 comma 5. If I drop a perpendicular like this, what will be the length of this perpendicular? So देखो बेटा, here it is 5 and here it is 2. So 5 minus 2, it will be equal to 3. The length of perpendicular will be 3, yes or no? Correct? By this point, this line is, this is 2, this is 5. So 2 minus 5 is 3. Same will be this distance also 3. Alright, so I can say area of any triangle, area of a triangle will be half into base into height, which is half into 6 into 3, which is 9 square units. 9 square units will be our area. Simple. Done. Right? Okay, so coordinate geometry is the easiest topic. Now bachcho, this is your homework question and I want you to tell me the area of the rectangle ABC form in the comment section. Do let me know who have got the correct answer, and I'll show the name of the students who have given the correct answer in the next session. So be a homework star. Let me know what will be the solution for this homework question. ठीक है बच्चों, I have already told you about Vedantu's Pro subscription, so please don't forget to register for that as well. You can go for any course according to the personalization you need. All the courses, classes will be same, unlimited classes, unlimited micro courses. So don't think it is the price only for covering your syllabus once. You can study as many topics as many times as you want. And also it comes with your guaranteed improvement ki guarantee, which says that you will definitely improve. If not, take your whole course fee back. Alright bachcho, so this is all from my side. You can see the batches are starting, but please don't wait till the time ki when the batch will start, that time I'll take the course. You better take the course now, because when you are taking the course now, before the batch starts, you can start taking micro courses, meet different teachers and continue with your preparation. Do not wait for these many days. A single day missed is an opportunity lost. I'm telling you, you are missing your opportunity. All the students are going ahead. So do not delay it any day, one day further. All right. And also GPE Pro will be a code which will help you to get 10% off. ठीक है बच्चों, so this is all from my side and I hope all of you enjoyed it. Very small topic, छोटा सा topic है. So I hope all of you enjoyed it and please go through it once. Once you are done with it, you'll be very good with this topic. All right, and we'll be utilizing it in the upcoming chapter, that is linear equation in two variables. So in that I will be utilizing this chapter as well. So don't worry. All right, so it will be useful over there as well. So just go through this once, and in the next session we'll be starting with linear equation into variable. All right, so thank you bachcho so much. I'll see you soon in the next class. Till then, bye bye, sayonara, khuda hafiz to all of you. Bye bye.